point when the IPO hit, after it hit this number of $30. So it's trading, I believe, near a value. And what I mean by momentum value is recently, because of this all-time high in the estimates that they said they're growing again, it hit 28.45. And I believe these high volume highs will get retested recently. And there's also another high volume high here at 37. And I suspect this trend will start beginning to go back higher. And of course, anything I recommend, please put stops, because these are not guarantees. These are rough estimates. And whenever you do any trade, please put stops. If you want to do a percentage, you could do 3 to 5%. Or if you do regular $1 or $2 stops. But I suspect at a minimum, this high volume low here, which was the exact date on it, was December 10th, 2019 at 28.45, will get retested. And I think afterwards, if they repeat another great quarter, this $37 number will get retested again. And this is basically technical. My opinion of the market, it's extremely overvalued. And so at any time we have any external news, someone doing something stupid like a tax or anything like that, this thing's going to head back south. For the time being, though, earnings-wise, you could wait for the next estimates to come in. But I'm pretty bullish on this. And I'll give you another example of prior highs being reached. There's a Tesla competitor in China. And like Stitch Fix, they reported great earnings and it went to 487 on huge volume of 433 million shares. And what happened after that, because there was a lot of sellers, and again, this stock was at one time $11, it went all the way down to 250. And this one actually, the first day of IPO, I was looking at it, and I actually was telling my friends that I believe this will have a short-term momentum run. It opened at $6 IPO the second and third day. And if you look here, this is a third day, went to 1380 was the high. So you bought at 6 in 2-3 days, you doubled your money on this name. You got out, and from that moment on, it tried again to get back up to these. It went to as high as $10, and obviously there was no more buyers, and they tanked this, and this one went under $1. But recently, like Tesla, it reported fantastic earnings. They're saying their business is kind of slowly coming back. And the Chinese also have these tax incentives. And it basically made this high volume high at 487. And just like Stitch Fix, it went back south. And then it burst up higher. And I believe this is also another one that's going to hit this 480 number. And obviously, volume is the key. If you don't have a lot of buyers passing this, I suspect it'll hit these numbers and go back south. So my estimates going back to Stitch Fix, it's 28.45's all-time high. My target's around 27.28. And if you see no more buyers, I think you should just get out of it and wait for another return. If you see heavy buying, even at those prices, I suspect these high volume highs of 37 will get retested. Again, this is Stitch Fix. Please, whenever you do any trades, please put stops, 3 to 5% or 1 to 2 points. I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Take care.